The BMW M240i xDrive. That just means that you have all-wheel drive to put the power down, and with 285 kilowatts from a turbocharged straight 6, it is still the classic BMW, but now you get the all-wheel drive traction. You can't miss it. Kyalami green. It's the color you can see from space. And this Audi RS3 may just be the last time we see Audi's incredible 2.5 liter 5-cylinder motor. It sounds incredible, like a swarm of bees is chasing you. Again, launch control, dual clutch transmission, one of the hardest launching vehicles we have here. Wow.